So 9th standard students, a very warm welcome. Now we are going through the unit of economics and it is your chapter 2, Human Resource of India. As of now, we have done the introduction part, the characteristics of India's population, which we have already finished yesterday. Now today the same chapter, but we will go with the demographic transition. Transition means change from one place to another, like that. Okay, this is known as change from one place to another, that is transition. Okay, means suppose I am making this, I am putting a water in the fridge. So it was water, it will become ice. This change of the state, that is known as transition. Okay. So what we have to do? Demographic transition means geographical. Demographic means a place. There is a close relationship between economic development and population growth. This economic growth, economic development, it is related to population growth, how much populations a country is having. As a country progresses in economic development, the growth rate of its populations decline. The less you are having the population, the more jobs will be there. Okay, so the countries with developed economy, they are having less number of your population rate. This process is described through the theory of, there is a theory, okay, theory of demographic transition. There is a theory. See, these are all the these chapters all are related to economics, and economics, they are having lots of theory. On that theory only, all are doing the practices for the betterment. And those persons who have given all these theories, they are called economists. Transition is observed to be falling in three distinctive phases: backward, developing and developed country. Most of you have seen, heard, I think, that India is a developing country. Now we will be discussing about the three distinctive features. Those are the three distinctive stages we can see in each and every country. It will be under this three stage only. Now, first one is backward class, backward stage. Here health facilities are lagging and people lack awareness about the advantages of birth control. In this stage, what happened? Any country is having backward stage. What happened? Their health facilities are low, education is low, so the population is high. Once the population is high, means your job facilities will be less, income will be less, poverty will be there. Excuse me. Hunger will be there, non-equality of distribution of income will be there. Okay, here people are also superstitious and bound by custom and traditions. What is their previous 3-4 generations before, those people, they told, they are thinking like that only. They don't use any modern technologies like that. Okay, they are superstitious. Superstitious means person who always believes something which does not have any reasonable clue for that. Due to this, both birth rate and death rate are resulting in a lower population growth. Okay, what happened? Due to this, both the birth rate is more because they don't know, they don't have the education more, so birth is getting 1% they are having 5 children. And even the death rate is also high because they don't uses technology for the medicines and all. Okay, so what happened? They are having the poor health facilities, so this results in less population growth. Okay, next is developing stage. First is backward stage, second is developing stage. What is this developing stage? India is in developing stage. Here the economy start growing. Government provides better education and health facilities. Here government know that we are not developed, but government provide to become a developed economic country or to make progress. For that they supply with or provides us various facilities so that we can overcome the illness of the economy. So the death rate will decline. So the death rate will decline if you know more about the medical facilities and all, or the facilities you are getting, the death rate will be low. But the birth rate remain high or decline very slowly. People are getting educated. It doesn't mean that in one day the magic will happen. Okay, it is getting low. It is getting low, but slowly. That's why it is developing. Due to this, the population growth tends to be higher. Due to this, the population is higher. See, India is having a very high population. Okay, we are modernized with all the facilities we are here, but then also we are developing because of the population. India is presently said to be in this stage. So India is a developing country, and the last one is developed country. Okay, developed stage. So backward stage, developing stage, where they are still working to be a developed, and now the developed. When a country is in developed status, people are educated and well informed about education and health and hygiene facilities. Okay, so what it is happening here? Here in the developed stage of a country, people are more educated, they are having more knowledge, and they are having the good facilities of health services. Also the hygiene services. What is hygiene? It is a series of practice performed to preserve health. Okay, according to World Health Organization, WHO, hygiene refers to condition and practices that helps to maintain health and prevent the spread of diseases. Personal hygiene refers to maintain the body's cleanliness. Okay, hygiene means the cleanliness. Okay, personal hygiene means the cleanliness of ours. Due to this, the death rates will fall. Now I am coming to this one, developed stage. What is happening? Okay, they are all educated, they are having the knowledge, and above to this they are getting the good facilities of health services. Okay, due to this the death rates will fall further and birth rate too will fall, because they know 1%. See, there are some countries where they are maintaining like this, 1%, 2 children only. Okay, but in some countries like your backward can we say underdeveloped, developing country, here what happened? Here one person they are having 5 children, 6 children, like that. Okay, so now it will give a adverse effect on the distribution of income, resulting in very low population growth. Due to this, means as they are having the knowledge and all, so what happened? Due to this, the death rate will fall further. Death rate will fall because they are having good medical facilities, and birth rate too will fall. They know that if I am having 5 children in the near future, I have to see some bad times. So the birth rate too will fall, resulting in very low population growth. Population will be there, okay, but not like us, 135 crore, like that. Thus, the economic development and population growth are closely related, where the countries having less, means at least at an average, this one your excuse me, the countries who are having a nominal or average population, there everything will be supplied to all the people. But if a country is having a huge population, what will happen? That facilities are there, but what will happen? Somebody will be getting, somebody will not be getting. Okay, so thus the economic development and population growth are closely related. all the keywords are there. Go through it. This is very easy. Again, in the next video, we will come up with reproductive health and quality of population. Thank you.